I wish I could love myself like the way I love somebody. It's really hard for me to appreciate and love myself. I feel like I am a worthless person who only disappoint people around me. Sometimes I wish I could give myself a constant self-care. But it's hard. It's hard to see my own worth. I feel like a failure. I feel like I do not deserve anything. And I feel so not enough in everything. I wish I could change the way I see myself. A part of me is grieving for the fact that I hate myself a lot. And sometimes I try my best to remind myself that I am beautiful and I am always worthy. Maybe for now I'm still having a hard time on making myself realize that I am special too. But I hope someday I'll learn to give myself the things that I deserve, the love that I need for myself. I hope someday I'll learn to recognize my worth and forget that I have so much hatred inside me. And most importantly, I hope someday I'll realize that I also deserve to treat myself right. Someday, I hope I'll learn to finally love myself.